Our extra tough jawline training chewing gum is the simplest jawline training tool, no matter where, when, or what you're doing. We recommend just chewing this 10 to 20 minutes every other day. It comes in a variety of flavors, including ginger lime, mint, cinnamon, and our newest is blueberry ice, my personal favorite. As you just saw, you simply take a piece, put it in, and start chewing like you normally would. Be careful if you haven't used it before, because it might be quite dramatic. Because it's so tough, your jaw probably isn't used to this type of training. So just be a little bit cautious before first biting into it. So what I recommend doing is first chewing in the front of your mouth, then on the side, and then switch to the other side and make sure you don't leave any area left unchewed. If you find this gum to be too hard, then first start out with the medium resistance chewing gum, and then once you get used to this, move up to the advanced, tougher chewing gum. If the chewing gum becomes too soft, you can simply take a sip of ice cold water, and this will actually harden up the gum, making it nice and hard again, and to resume your training. This is by far my favorite way of training, and the one that I do most often because it's low-key. No one knows you're doing it. You could do it in the gym, and it's enjoyable. It tastes good and feels, pleasing. And if you have a fascination towards fidgeting like I do, this will keep you preoccupied.